Hello and welcome to another episode of Backyard Bushcraft. Over the next few weeks I will be showing you, demonstrating and reviewing items supplied to me by BCB International. They're a company that sells items all around the world. You can visit their site at www.bcbin.com. On there you will find items for survival, you will find items for outdoors, bushcraft, military, special forces, from sleeping bags to armoured plated clothing, from first aid kits to multi-tools to sandbagging machines. They have absolutely got everything. Anti-terrorist units, bulletproof glass covers, you name it, they got it, they supply it, they design it and they build it. The first item I'm going to demonstrate to you is the mini work tool. Now, I don't know if you've ever been out and you've had to undo a screw, or you've had to undo a nut and bolt, or open a tin of beans. Now, when you've got no items at all to open these things with, it's practically an impossible task. Well, BCB come up with this. It can be carried in your wallet. It's a credit card sized bit of kit. Now, credit card sized bit of kit. It is illegal to carry sharp objects in the UK unless you've got a meaningful reason to be having it on you. But this will come under a different category because it's in your wallet and it's not something that you can pull out straight away. It would not be classed as an offensive weapon. It's got its own little sheath. Basically what it is, I'll give you a quick zoom in on this bit of kit. And a little zoom in on this as well. Now what it is, it's a can opener, it's got a sharp knife edge, it's got a screwdriver, a ruler, a cap opener, 4-position wrench, 4-position wrench, butterfly screw wrench, saw blade, directional indications, for a directional indication where you put the little button compass in to give you some sort of directional position, and a Landlord keychain holder. I'm going to open it up. It comes in a nifty little pack so it can be posted to you very easily. And here we got it. Like I said, it's credit card size. It's made of stainless steel. That's a very, very sharp blade, which I'll demonstrate in a moment. It's got this lovely little card pouch. Like I said... Uh-oh. Phew. I was lucky. It's the wife's car. I'd been for riding, wouldn't I? It's basically got a little piece of card in it to show you exactly what to do. And here we are. And also, like I said, it fits in a pouch very easily. My fault. All fingers and thumbs this morning. There you go. Fits in a pouch, and then it'll fit in your wallet or in your pocket, you know. I'll put mine in my wallet, like so. It's in there. You can't even tell I'm carrying anything, but when you need to do something, it's on you. So we'll move on now to somewhere else, and we'll have a little look. For instance, if we need to cut a piece of string, use a piece of string. You can't chew through it. This is a very strong paracord. I have no knife. What am I going to do? Oh, BCB International. Oh, look at this. I've got this new BCB International tool. Let's have a look how it copes with cutting a little bit of string. Here's the string. Piece of string. And as you can see, ow! Cuts through pretty well. String again. A couple of little back and forths. And it cuts the string very easily. And then you can put it back into your pouch, like so. Back into your wallet. Safekeeping. Try doing that without a knife or something. Something that fits in your pocket very easily. A good thing would be you're in the garden and you need to do a bit of pruning on your bushes. Forgot to bring my knife or my scissors. Oh, I will use my BCB card. Obviously the bushes need pruning. So out it comes, and you've got the knife blade, and you can go up and you can quite easily trim the bushes. Look how easy that's going through here. Marvellous bit of kit. BCB International Multi-Tool. Buy now while stocks last. Another good thing with the BCB little multi-tool is that you're out and about. There's no McDonald's about. There's no KFC about. What do? Well, obviously you get a stick. No problem at all. Plenty of sticks on the mountain. People's gardens. Trim the stick. Sharpen a point on it. Good sharp knife. Once you've sharpened your point, then you can go hunting for rabbits, squirrel. You'll have crows, magpies, lots of different things. We'll try to spear out. Look at that! Look! One dead rabbit. One full belly. You try undoing a screw with your thumb, your finger. It's impossible. But with the BCB, it has a built-in screwdriver. As you can see, there's the screw, and now you can wind the screw out and do any repairs or whatever else needs doing. See, screw coming out. Now I'll zip the screw back in, because obviously this doesn't need fixing. This is just a demonstration. I'd like to show you how the spanner bit works. Basically, if you can imagine that's being a nut and you need to undo or tighten it, you slide the BCB multi-tool onto it until you've got the correct size, and as you can see now, you can turn it. You can turn it in both directions. So he undoes and tightens up. Turn it round, tighten something up, undo it. Try doing that with your fingers. Basically that sums it up. Whether you're out in the jungle, whether in your urban streets, whether in your own back garden or working in the office, the BCB multi-tool gets a 10 out of 10 from me.